to show you how to fill a big hole in a plasterboard wall.
So you can see. Alright, so I'm going to repair this. It's going to take 5 minutes. I'll show you what we need. So we need some fast setting plaster. This one is ranked at 5 minutes, but it lasts a bit longer, maybe 7 or 8 minutes. We need a mixing container and a bit of water, not too much. Clean trowel, a 6-inch broad knife, a hole saw if possible, piece of plasterboard, and some 4 strips of plasterboard like this, and a cordlet, we don't need this, and tape measure, sander, and a bit of water and a sponge. Alright, step number 1, we will measure how big we want the match to be, about 35 centimeters by 35 centimeters. So if we measure a piece here, 35 by 35, something up this way. We don't need to put it that way. Okay. So 35. Pencil. Oh, look, just by 35. Alright. So we flip the plasterboard this way. It doesn't have to be 100% straight, so might not be. This on the ground. Like this one here. This could be. Now, pencil. Pencil. So I've got the piece of plasterboard ready for the patch. Present it on the wall like this. Mark the top. Then mark the edges. Here we are. Okay, put this beautiful edge on. Now, this is the best way to cut the hole in the plasterboard with. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can do the standing knife, it's a bit harder. You just have to press really hard with the blade on an angle. You know, this is leaning towards the left, right? And now we have it leaning towards the right. So it's like a V groove. And then straight in the middle, it does the same job. Now we do the top. This way. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm going to make sure it fits. Oh, look at this. First time, eh? Very good. All right. next step, we're going to need these. So before we use these, I'm going to mix a bit of plaster. So the water here, a bit of water there. So we don't need too much plaster. So here we go. Nice and smooth. Take the lumps out. Make sure you mix properly. Not too sloppy. Put a bit more in there as well to make it firm. Okay, that's the right consistency here. Okay, so now we're going to use these here. These they're going to be behind there. They're about 5 centimeters wide. Then I marked the line at 2.5 in the middle here, 2.5 centimeters. So I'm going to put some plaster on one side. And put this here. Okay. Now the other one. So we've got about 2.5 centimeters sticking out here and 2.5 centimeters at the back. So now the bottom piece, cross, stamping. Here we go. The top piece. Nice and creamy. Top there. Okay, there's two ways of doing this now. You can either clean this up nicely. You can either clean this up and let the plaster go off for maybe 20 minutes or so. Okay, so that's step number one. If you want to do that way, let it dry. Or what we normally do, we put the piece on straight away in the building tray. So we put the plaster back on here, so the long like this. So we need a bit more. Okay. Okay. Then we put the piece in gently. Push it in. So make sure you don't push too far. You use a broad knife and look how I go on the metal like this. So it's going to be perfect. perfect level it is. Okay? So now the final step, new final step. Do the first coat on like this. Okay, so that's the first coat, and we're going to let it go hard before we do anything else. So we're going to come back in 10 minutes and we'll mix a bit more. See you in a bit. This was setting on the repair job there. I mixed a bit more plaster, and I'm going to put the second coat on. Show you how it's done. Nice and easy. So you use trowel this time. You just cover the whole thing. So make sure you get rid of any ridges around the perimeter here. And to make things a bit easier, just water around the perimeter. This, a bit more with the board knife. And it's just a matter of spending a couple of minutes troweling and making it nice and smooth. Okay, well the way it is now, ready to sand in about a couple of hours, I suppose. And yes, that's it. Then when you're sanding, you use a little block like this, something block like this. And the grit should be 150 grit or 180, and it will come out nice and smooth.